Tonight's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your Mini Cooper if you locked your keys inside. I always come over to the passenger side and I use Access Tools Super Air Jack. You can get this in the tag description down below, tagged products in the description down below. And we're just going to put it into the weather stripping here. Alright, so on these, because the little weather stripping is right there, it's good to use these little pry tools you can get from a Jero at the tow shows. Or, you know, whatever you can get to pry that up. I just grab my finger and pull it back a little bit right there, and I can get it to come back. Once I got a little edge on it, I take the bag and slide it in there. Alright, and then just slide it into the door jamb. You got to kind of saw it up and down to get it in there. Then kind of just push it all the way through the door frame. And you can get these bags also at Home Depot in the door and window aisle. They're used for shipping up doors and windows if you're in a hurry and you can't wait for shipping to order one of these. Alright, and so then once you get it all the way into the door jamb like so, and give yourself like a 3-inch gap at the top, close the little valve here, and pump it up, and that's going to pry the door off of the car a little bit and give us access inside. Oh, no, I got it. So I'm going to put one more airbag into this one just because of the way the door frame is and with the rubber right here. Same thing, just stick it in and pump it up, and that's just going to pull the door away a little bit more for us so we can get our tool in there. What you're going to need is like a 5-foot long metal rod coated in plastic with a rubber tip. This is Access Tools Green Reach Tool. You can get this in the tagged products down in the description, or you can go to Home Depot and buy a metal rod and bend it up and tape it up and slide it through your door frame here. Maybe. Slide it into your door. Put it inside there, and then we're going to come over here to the door handle and pull the door handle. There you go. And the car is unlocked. Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate it. And as you can see, when you shut the door, it's nice and tight and flush. It doesn't bow the door out at all. It doesn't bend it or anything. It doesn't scratch it. It doesn't tear up the weather stripping out there and there. It doesn't scratch it up. And nice and tight.